Rutherford County Mayor Bill Ketron has been in the news a lot recently, in part because of fraud allegations against his Murfreesboro insurance agency.
But News Channel 5 Investigates found this is not the first time a customer made such a complaint. It also happened 2 years ago, but the state didn't crack down at the time like it's doing now. Consumer investigator Jennifer Krause has been covering this since the very beginning, and some people are wondering, Jennifer, was he maybe given some preferential treatment over all of this?
That's right, especially because 2 years ago when this earlier complaint was filed, Bill Ketron was a state senator.
Not only was Ketron a state senator, he was also a member of the Senate Commerce and Labor Committee, which is closely tied to the Commerce and Insurance Department. And it was that department that got the complaint from a Smyrna business owner who said she'd paid almost $12,000 to Ketron's insurance agency, only to later discover the policy had been canceled for lack of payment. The insurance department insists they handled the complaint like any of the other 5,000 they get each year. But these emails obtained by News Channel 5 Investigates seem to tell a different story. They show the insurance department's top lobbyist was actively involved, working behind the scenes, talking with both Senator Ketron and his legislative office, trying to get the matter resolved. And the number 2 guy at the department, the man in charge of the entire insurance division, wrote in an email to his top managers that he had spoken to Senator Ketron repeatedly about the complaint, that Ketron had called to discuss it, and he went on to describe the conversations the two of them had about how Ketron could resolve the situation. We showed the emails to the head of the consumer watchdog group Tennessee Citizen Action.
If you look at some of these emails, there was a lot of effort to make sure that Senator Ketron was happy, that he was followed up with, that he was circled back to. It certainly looks like special treatment for him.
But Michael Humphreys, the assistant commissioner and the man who wrote about his conversations with Ketron, denies Ketron got any sort of preferential treatment.
You realize how this probably looks to some people.
I realize how you're suggesting that it looks, and quite honestly, it's absolutely not the case. We don't care who Senator Ketron was, quite honestly.
Now, there are more emails and more revelations. And what this all means for you, the consumer. We are continuing to work on all of that and more. Plus, we have reached out to Bill Ketron. We'll continue to have new developments throughout the day, so be sure to look for those here on News Channel 5 and online.
All right. Thanks for getting up early with us.
Of course.
Appreciate you.